Ivy here. Today, we're diving into how you can use AI to create a simple morning routine that boosts productivity. Picture starting your day with a routine that's perfectly aligned with your lifestyle and goals. With just a few prompts, AI can help you design a morning plan that sets a positive tone and enhances your productivity. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your day. You might find that this approach helps you feel more organized and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. Imagine waking up and having a personalized schedule that guides you through your morning tasks, from exercise to breakfast, all tailored to your preferences. AI can suggest the best time to wake up, recommend quick exercises to get your blood flowing, and even propose a balanced breakfast to fuel your body and mind. It can also remind you of any important tasks or meetings you have lined up, so you start your day feeling prepared and confident. By using AI to streamline your morning routine, you can reduce decision fatigue and save time for what truly matters. Plus, as you continue to refine your routine with AI's help, you'll likely notice improvements in your overall productivity and mood. Give it a try and see how it works for you. Join me tomorrow for another practical tip.